How you doing? My name is Phillip from Lucid Inc. I'm here to show you how to create a cool font. It's a beginner's font, a beginner's graphic, um, just to get you into Photoshop and to get me into tutorials. Yes, this is my first tutorial. Um, so here we go. Go pick Photoshop, go to File, open a new file. Right here I have the settings already set, width by 1000, height 800. Click OK. As you see here, we have our canvas. What we're going to do now is we're going to select our font. The font that I'm going to use is, just so you can see it clearly, right now is Impact, but you can use any type of font. Select your type tool, draw out your box. Here we have our box. I'm going to type Lucid. There you go. Press OK. Another box on the bottom here, and we're going to write ink. Lucid ink. Press OK. Now it works best when they're the same size. They don't have to be the same size, but it looks better that way. So what we're going to do now is press Command T for the transform tool. And just, stretch out, alter it until you get basically the same size as the top fonts. So we just stretch this out here. Position it. There we go. Press OK. Okay, so we have a Lucid ink. Now we go over here to our layers panel over here, and we're going to select both layers. We do that by holding Shift. One is selected, select the other one, both layers are selected. Right click on the layers. Sorry, I get confused with this word. Rasterize type. So we're going to rasterize the type here. So now the type is rasterized. Both fonts, we're going to right click on the layer, merge layers. So now we have those two layers merged. And we can basically move them around any way we please. I think I want it just a tad bit bigger, so I'm going to Command T again. Hold the upper corner. Hold Shift to keep the dimensions of the font, but still just makes it bigger. And just stretch it out, bring it a little wider there. And there we go. Lucid ink. Press OK. And there we have it right there. Now we're going to duplicate this layer. Right click on the layer, duplicate layer, name it as you will. So now we have the two layers. Now the top layer is going to be the blur layer. So we go into filter, we go to blur, radial blur. We're going to have the amount at 100, it's here already. Zoom, the blur method is zoom, it's here already. Quality, the best, because you gotta be the best. Anyway, press OK. There we go. It's gonna take a minute for it to do, and now we see the effect is halfway there. It's like coming at you, the light from the words. So now what we're gonna do is pick our background layer, pick our fill tool, and we're gonna fill the background layer black. There we go. Now we have a black background layer. Don't be alarmed, you don't see the fonts anymore. The fonts are black, so we're going to go back up to our blur layer. And we're going to put a gradient on this layer. You can use any color gradient. It really works better with bright gradients that it pops, it shoots out. So we're going to change this gradient here. Maybe a blue. Nice blue gradient, light blue. That looks good, that looks good. OK. Tap OK. And on the far right side, maybe put a darker blue. Yeah. Now you see the fading of the gradient. Press OK. OK again. So we have this blue gradient here that you can see from light to kind of dark shooting at us. Press OK. Now we're going to take the bottom layer, our original layer, the font layer, move it up to the top to bring it forward. Now you see it, the layer is kind of shooting at us. We're not done yet. We're going to right click on this layer, go to blending options. We're going to put a outer glow around the words to make it pop even more. See that? But we're going to change the gradient color, to a blue, a nice light blue there to blend in with the background. Press OK. And press OK. And there you have it. A nice effect, graphic effect for your fonts you can use on a lot of things, business cards maybe, flyers, banners, websites, you know. And that's it. Thank you for watching this tutorial for Photoshop. Remember Lucid Ink for all your graphic design needs, and as I progress in these tutorials, I'll definitely share my knowledge of Photoshop with whoever wants to learn, because I wanted to learn and I've learned. So there you go. Thank you. Check back again for another tutorial, and hopefully this helps all of you graphic artists out.